beautiful sunshine gang, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, right now I am in practice mode. I'm trying to get this eyeshadow look together, and as we speak I am actually following an eyeshadow tutorial on YouTube right now as we speak. So I probably won't show y'all how I'm doing this look because, you know, practice makes progress, and right now I'm in practice mode and I'm progressing. But I will show y'all the eyeshadow palette that I'm using to create this look. And the palette I'm using is this Lemon Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, and I ordered this from AliExpress for like, I want to say $1.99. And I'm gonna open it up so y'all can see how the eyeshadows look. And this is the brush that I'm using. I actually got this brush from another eyeshadow palette, which is this Hard Candy eyeshadow palette. I tried to practice with this palette, y'all, but the colors really wasn't working right for me. So that's why I got another palette to practice with. And I used this AOA Studio eyeshadow primer. And I also used my good old LA Colors concealer for my eyelid. And I also used this AOA Perfect Studio setting powder for my eyelids too. And if y'all want to know more about the tutorial that I'm watching, I will link that tutorial in the description box. And when I come back with my other eyeshadow look, I will be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and this is the look that I came up with. I'm gonna give y'all up close. Of what I did, and I'm gonna show you the colors that I used. I used this one right here as a transition color. I'm gonna put it back some. I used this one right here as a transition color, and I used these two right here on my eyelids. And I also use this color right here to give that pop of shimmer, because y'all know I like some shimmer. And yep, that is what I did. And y'all, I really like this palette to be $1.99. But if you purchase this palette, you do have to be careful with the cause this is glitter right here, but these are the more shimmery eyeshadows, and these right here are matte, and they are like somewhat creamy, as you would say. They are smooth, they're not patchy, but you do have to be careful with the shimmers, because like I'm gonna show you, like I can pick it up with my brush, and it does fall out. But what I did was I applied it with my brush and my fingers, so it won't look so patchy on my eyelids. Oh, and I just wanted to show y'all my whole look. Let me wipe it off first. It's kind of dusty from all the eyeshadow. I want to show y'all my whole little setup that I got. Isn't this cute? This it originally came with some makeup brushes that I had got for Christmas, but I wanted to keep the container because I just like it. And it says makeup is my art. You know, I'm not a makeup artist or anything, but I do like it, and it's cute. And I had put my lashes in here. And I put my eyelash glue and my eyeliner and my... Okay, y'all, the reason why I am applying the setting powder is because it's supposed to make your makeup last longer, and it also helps retain the oil in your skin, you know, if you have oily skin. So basically it just helps your foundation looks better, and it keeps your skin from being so oily. And I got that tip from It's My Ray Ray. That's where I had got it from. I just wanted to let y'all know that I did not come up with this idea on my own. I just seen another YouTuber do it, and so I just wanted to pass that tip on to y'all also. Just to let y'all know, the reason why I mixed these two foundations together is because it matches closer to my skin tone, and that's what I've been doing for a while now. In the foundation that I'm using, one is by CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and it's in the color Golden Amber, and the other foundation that I'm using is Believe Beauty Cosmetics, and it's in the color Hazelnut. Hey y'all, to be honest with y'all, I've been using the same concealer for like I don't know how long. I rarely ever switch up products, but the concealer that I'm using is by LA Colors, and it is in the color tan. And the sponge that I'm using, I just recently got this sponge not too long ago, and it is from Shop Miss A's from AOA Studio, and I love this beauty blender, y'all. It's so soft and bouncy, and it blends in your makeup really, really good. Contour stick that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick, and it is in the color Call Me Maple. And I got this from Walmart for like $4.98. So yeah, this is me trying out a new product, y'all. Don't judge me. And to me, for my first impression, it is working pretty good. And right here, I'm just using my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance in the color light to medium. And y'all don't ask me why I just double contour my face. I wasn't even thinking about that until I realized what I was doing. But yeah, that is what I'm doing. And I'm just taking the sculpting shade right here, and I'm just sculpting out my forehead and my cheekbones, or your brow bone, however you want to say it, and my nose. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Hey y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all a secret about this blush right here. This blush is from LA Colors, and my daughter got this for me as a birthday gift. But y'all, when I was trying to put the blush on, it really wasn't showing up. So I probably won't be using this blush again, but you know, I just wanted to shout out my daughter for giving this to me as a birthday present. And I love her for that. You know, it's the thought that counts. So yeah, this is me applying the blush. Well, trying to anyway. Can't tell y'all about this highlight though. This highlight is from Shop Miss A2, and y'all, yes, it is $1, and it's in the color Fortune. And y'all, I love, love, love this highlighter. Like, this is my second or third highlighter that I got from this website. And y'all, I just love the little pop that it gives to my makeup look, y'all. I just love this highlight. Hey y'all, this is the finished look right here. I just wanted to come over here in the natural light and to show y'all everything.